Hi my dear children, good morning. How are you all? Are you fine and safe at your home? Okay, fine. I am also fine and safe here. Do you remember me? It's me, Vidya ma'am, taking English. Okay, okay. So our last classes Jifna ma'am took. So today onwards, I will be taking English for you. So are you ready? So I am welcoming you all to my class. So tell me how many blocks we completed so far? Yes, we completed 3 blocks and just started the 4th block. Isn't it? Yes. So today ma'am is starting block 4 S2. So are you ready? Okay. Today we will learn how to make sentences about things that belong to us. So what you have to do is, first you have to take your textbook. Take page number 12. So this picture, take this picture. So which story is this? This story is Ben's Christmas Wish. Okay, so all of you take this picture. Taken? Okay, fine. So point out the things that belongs to Ben's family. So what are the things you can see in this picture? Yes, you can see one shoe there, one bag there, and one umbrella there, and outside one car we can see. So more things are there in this picture. So that all belongs to Ben's family. That all belongs to Ben's family. Isn't it? Whose shoe is it? It is Ben's shoe. Whose car is it? Whose car is it? It is his father's car. Then whose bag it is? It is Ben's bag. Isn't it? That belongs to Ben and his family. Okay, fine. Now children, look at the board. Some questions and some sentences I have written. So look at the board. Whose shoe is it? Whose car is it? Whose house is it? It is Ben's shoe. It is his father's car. It is Ben's house. Did you understand? So whose shoe is it? It is Ben's shoe. Whose shoe? Ben's shoe. So look at the third one. His shoe is red. So instead of Ben, what we have used? What we have used? You can see one word here. Read this. Yes, his. So instead of Ben, we have used here his. Okay. Now look at the second one. Whose car is it? It is his father's car. It is his father's car. His car is blue. So instead of father, we have used his. Instead of father, we have used his. Look at the third one. Whose house is it? Whose house is it? It is Ben's house. It is Ben's house. So it is Ben's house. Instead of Ben, here we have used his. His house is nice. His house is nice. In these sentences, instead of the name, we have used some other words. So what that words are called, do you know? Do you know? It is possessive pronouns. It is possessive pronouns. So look at here, children. I have one thing with me. What is it? What is it? Pen. Whose pen is this? Is it yours? No. It is ma'am's pen. Isn't it? Okay. So I will tell this is my pen. This is my pen. I have one box with me. I have one box with me. Whose box is it? Whose box is it? It is my box. It is my box. It is my box. Okay. Now, if we want to say the things that belong to us, we will say it is my. It is my thing. It is my watch. It is my bag. It is my pencil. It is my razor. Like that. Possessive. So a thing that belongs to someone else. Assume that your friend is having a pencil. So what will you say? It is his pencil. It is her pencil. Like that. It is his pencil or it is her pencil. Okay. So assume that, imagine that a group of students are standing there in front of their class. So what will we say? Yes, it is their class. Okay. So ma'am will write some sentences here. So look at that sentences. So now I will write some sentences here. That sentences you have to read. Okay. Ready? Fine. Now children, look at these sentences. Let us read together. Okay. I have a pen, it is my pen. He has a pen, it is his pen. She has a pen, it is her pen. We have a class, it is our class. They have a class, it is their class. So, did you see some words here? I, he, she, we, they. Okay. Then here you can see my, his, her, our, their. Did you see these words? Okay. So, I, he, she, we, they. Okay. So, here we can see my, his, her, our, their. Okay. So, these words are called pronouns. These words are called pronouns. These words are called pronouns. And these words now are called possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. These words are called possessive pronouns. So, did you understand? So, we can connect that words like this. I, my. He, his. She, her. We, are. They, their. If you are using I, you have to say my. I have a bag. That is my bag. He, if it is a boy, we will use the pronoun he. So, what we have to use the his. He has a chocolate It is his chocolate. Okay. Next one, if it is a girl, we will use the pronoun she. So, there we will use her. She has a bottle. That is her bottle. That is her bottle. Okay. We. We means all together. We have a diary. It is our diary. We are. Next one, they, their. They have the books. That is their books. That is their books. Okay, did you understand, my dear children? So, my dear children, here is a work for you. You have to match these words. Pronouns with possessive pronouns. So, look at this. I, yes. My, I, my. He, his. She, her. Then we are, they, their, you, your. So, is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? So, my dear children, this possessive pronouns will come before the naming word. Okay. So, for example, it is his pencil. It is his pencil. It is his pencil. So, this is the naming word. Pencil is the naming word. So, possessive pronoun will come before this word come before the naming word. Did you understand? One more example I will give you. It is her eraser. It is her eraser. It is her eraser. So, eraser is the naming word. This is the possessive pronoun. Did you understand, my dear children? Is it clear for you? Okay. Now, my dear children, so how we will replace these words by the naming words? So, first we have written Ben's shoe. Instead of we have written his shoe. Instead of we have written his shoe. His means Ben's. So, how we write this? Ben's. How we write this Ben's? You can see one mark here. That mark is called what? That mark is called apostrophe. So, if you want to write the naming word, it is Ben's, it is father's, it is father's. So, here we have to put one apostrophe mark before the yes. Okay, Ben's, father's. Okay, if you are writing the plural form, girls. boys. So it is the plural form, more girls, more boys. So where we have to put the apostrophe mark, do you know? So we have to put after the S, yes, we have to put the apostrophe mark after yes. So if it is singular, we will put before S. If it is plural, we will put after yes. So is it clear for you? Okay. So why we need these words, possessive pronouns? Why we need these words? So instead of telling it's Ben's cap, it is Ben's shoe, it is Ben's house, it is Ben's umbrella, it is Ben's car. Instead of it, it is boring, isn't it? So it is boring to tell every time Ben's, 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 Ben's. So instead of that name, we will use his. So if it is a girl, we will use her. If it is a boy, we will use his. If it is I means we will use my. If it is you means we will use you were. Okay. If it is they means we will use their. So if it is we means our. So is it clear for you, my dear children? Okay, fine. So you have a work in your workbook. Take your workbook, all of you, page number 27. So you can see here, whose is it? You have to write the date first. First question, fill in the blanks with the correct word. This purse belongs to me. Belongs to me. So what word you have to use, which pronoun we have to use, which possessive pronoun we have to use? Yes, my. My sister and I have a cat. My sister and I, both. Okay, so which pronoun? Our cat. My friends and I love going to school. This is dash school. My friends and I all together. So this is our school. Lakshmi is my friend. Last Sunday I went to dash birthday party. So Lakshmi is a girl. So which possessive pronoun we have to use? Very good, her. Rajat loves to write. Every Monday he writes a letter to dash grandparents. So Rajat loves to write. Every Monday he writes a letter to, Rajat is a boy. So we have to use his grandparents. Is it clear for you, my dear children? Okay. Second question, rewrite the sentences using the words from the box. So I am going to Ravi's house. So instead of Ravi, we have to write I am going to his house. This is my family's garden. My family. So what we have to write? This is my family's garden. This is our garden. I have Parul and Pranav's book. So I have Parul and Pranav's book. I have their book. Very good. I enjoy going to Asha's house. I enjoy going to Asha's house. So Asha is a girl. So what we have to write? I enjoy going to her house. Make sentences with the given words are and there. So you have to write two sentences with the words our and there. So is it clear for you, children? Okay. So one more work from your content book. Page number 20. Page number 20. Question number 5. Question number 5 that you have to do yourself. Okay, that you have to do alone. So it is very easy. You try to do. Okay. So is it clear? So once more I will repeat. I, my, she, her, he, his, they, their, we, our, you, your. So is it clear for you, my dear children? So let us wind up our class for today. See you in the next class. Until then, bye-bye.